Hi all, this is answer key of 13 bar 2 bar 1. First one, it is option B. Second one, it is option A. Third one, it is option C. Fourth one, it is option B. Fifth one, it is option C. Sixth one, it is option D. Seventh one, it is option C. Eighth one, it is option D. Ninth one, it is option A. 10th one, it is option D. 11th one, it is option B. 12th one, it is option D. 13th one, it is option B. 14th one, it is option D. 15th one, it is option C. 16th one, it is option D. 17th one, it is option B. 18th one, it is option D. 19th one, it is option B, and 20th one, it is option D. Thank you.